welcome back to another video. Today I'm finally filming a video that has been so requested, and that is my morning routine. To start off my morning, I usually just wake up naturally. I generally am a pretty early riser, so I don't like to set an alarm unless I've got something on early. But I usually wake up about 6:37ish, and the first thing I do always before I check my phone or go on any technology is just open up my blinds and open up the window. I like to just kind of see natural light before I see any technology. It's just a lot more easier on your body and less harsh for it to see natural light first, obviously, because that's what we're supposed to see. And then, being completely real, I grab my phone from the other side of my room, turn it off airplane mode, and lie in bed for a solid 10-20 sometimes minutes and just go on my phone. Really just be lazy. I know it might not be the best thing to do, but just being completely real, that is what I do. And then after I'm all caught up, I will reach over, because I always keep my little diary and to-do list planner kind of thing next to my bed. I will write a to-do list of everything I need to do today. I just find it makes me so much more productive, and it's the most satisfying thing, ticking things off at the end of the day. So without a doubt, I will either do it the night before or the morning of, but I had work last night, so I just decided to write my to-do list this morning. And then I also like to write my meals for the day. I'm just kind of weird and like to have everything planned. I don't do this all the time, and I definitely don't like obsess if I don't have exactly what I wrote down for each meal, but I just like to have a rough idea. And then also, if I need to go food shopping for the day, it'll just kind of like help me in what I need to buy. So yes, that brings us to now. So I'm gonna get up, make my bed, and then get changed into some activewear and head to the gym.
Gave you my heart.
Right, my bed is made, and before I do anything else, I always get changed into my activewear. I know. I like to always put it next to my door. I literally can't leave my room without knowing that I'm going to work out today. I just find it makes it so much easier to just grab them and like not even think, because that's honestly the hardest part of working out for me. It's just like finding the motivation when you just get up. Like sometimes you don't feel like it, but if you do it every single day, I find you get into a habit anyway, so it's not as hard. And by laying them out, it makes it so much easier. All right, we're in the activewear. I love this set, by the way. I swear I'm wearing it like every single day. I'm sorry, you can't come to the gym.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn up.
Okay, so after I've done all my skincare and everything, I will usually just do a very simple makeup routine, which is literally just a little bit of mascara. For a while I was like going crazy with the makeup like every single day, but honestly lately I've just been really liking the more minimalistic makeup and just kind of only having a couple of things. Also takes like 50% less time, so I love that. Sometimes I will put a little bit of like minimal foundation on or a bit of blush, but today I'm just letting my skin breathe because I feel like it's just really been enjoying that. So I just put on the tiniest bit of mascara, as I said, a tiny bit of lipstick, and then as a bit of a highlighter I actually just use some lip balm. This is like some hemp lip balm that I got, I don't even know where, and I just put like a little bit around my face to make myself look kind of dewy, and then just a little bit on my lips. And that is literally all the makeup I'm going to do today. I have also been getting a lot of requests to do a full makeup routine, which I will be filming very, very soon as well. This is just the makeup that I wear when I don't really know what I'm doing, but just kind of want to look a little bit more presentable, but also just want to let my skin breathe as well. It's now time to make some breakfast, and I will probably just get changed afterwards because I don't know what I'm gonna wear today yet. What I do each day changes very, very often, so sometimes I'll like run out the door, but today I have got a little bit more time, so I'm just going to chill in my robe and finally make some breakfast. Right, we don't seem to have a lot of ingredients that I normally put in my smoothie, but it's probably about time for me to change them up anyway, because when I get obsessed with the breakfast, I have it like every single morning. So today I think I'm just gonna see what I can whip up and make a big green smoothie filled with heaps and heaps of good stuff. Like where you are. I like everything about you. Everything about you. Breakfast done. How good does that look? Like when I say that I have my smoothies, I mean like a liter smoothie. The whole thing didn't even fit in this jar, because I swear if I have a little like glass of smoothie, like that'll genuinely fill me for like 10 minutes. So I have to have a massive smoothie. That actually tastes really good as well. Who would have thought that a green smoothie can taste so good? Okay, so I'm all dressed now. Also being joined by this awesome pimple, which is just so much fun. But I really, really hope you have enjoyed my morning routine. I hope it was okay, just like kind of vlog style, kind of voiceover put together style. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will film much more routines. Routines are always my favorite videos to watch, and I actually really enjoy filming them. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. I upload every 2 days if you would like to subscribe for more. Also, thank you so, so much for 10,000 subscribers. I feel like I talked way more about it over on my Instagram, which you can head over if you want to check that out. I also did a post and everything, but thank you so, so much to everyone who has subscribed and comments and watches my videos. It honestly means the absolute world. And I was saying on Instagram as well, like I know 10,000 isn't a lot like in the big grand scheme of things, but to me, like I remember hitting 200 and being like, oh my god, like I've hit 200. So to hit 10,000 is really, really cool. I'm so excited, and I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And yeah, I won't rant too much, but basically thank you. And I've got some very, very exciting plans for the future, and I really, really hope this is just the beginning of them. So yeah, anyway, I really, really hope you have enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.